Hello, welcome to my channel, Chef Flora 6. On the menu today is the honey garlic minced shrimp stuffed chicken wings. This is perfect for kids and those who don't like to deal with bones. Before we start, click that subscribe button for more simple homemade recipes. The full written recipe is on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me there as well. I linked it in the description box below. And here's what you need for this recipe. Let's start by washing and drying off the shrimp. Pat them dry and roll them up in a paper towel. Put them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to make sure that there's no excess moisture. Then start deboning the chicken wings. My trick is to cut the bones at the two ends first, then stick the scissors in underneath the skin and start making micro cuts in the middle. Once the meat detaches from the bone, you'll be able to twist the smaller bone out really easily. Then what's left is the bigger bone. Simply use your scissors to cut along the bone, keeping as much meat as possible. Take your time and you'll be able to get the hang of it after a couple of chicken wings. Next, marinate the chicken wings with a tablespoon of salt. Once it's all massaged in, add a teaspoon of cornstarch just to lock it in. Then, we start making the minced shrimp. Smash each shrimp with your knife until it's flat, and that's basically it. Just make sure you get it completely flat. If smashing your knife doesn't work, just apply some pressure using the palm of your hands. Once you're done, give the shrimps an extra mince using the spine of your knife. You don't need to use the blade as that will make the shrimps too fine. To marinate the shrimp, add 1 egg white, some pepper, and some salt. Start combining and mixing the shrimp in the egg white, stirring them in one direction. Once it's combined, start slapping the mixture in the bowl for at least 20 times. That will make the minced shrimp extra bouncy. Unfortunately, you will have to use your hands here. No other utensils can do the trick. Then it's time to make the sauce. Roughly dice some garlic and set aside. Add honey, apple cider vinegar, and soy sauce in a bowl and mix them all up. Finally, the last bit to prepare is to stuff the chicken wings with minced shrimp. How I do it is to spoon the minced shrimp into the boneless chicken wings with a small teaspoon, then start stuffing it in with the size of the teaspoon, making sure it doesn't overflow. Make sure not to push too far so that the minced shrimp doesn't come out from the other end. Then coat the chicken wings with cornstarch. This will give it a crispy skin when cooking. pan-frying the chicken wings in medium heat. Put them in skin down and let it cook for a few minutes. Turn it over and let it cook for another minute, then put the lid on for a few minutes. It should take around 8 to 10 minutes for the chicken wings and minced shrimp to be cooked thoroughly. Using the same pan, fry the garlic in medium-low heat. When the garlic is starting to smell delightful, add the sauce in and cook till it thickens. Then put the chicken wings in again and coat each of them evenly with the sauce. Ta-da! We're done! This honey garlic minced shrimp stuffed chicken wings is always a hit at my place. I hope you try it too. I was trying to show you how it looks like inside, but I didn't realize that my camera wasn't really focusing on the chicken wing. But it was so good I couldn't help but do my happy dance at the end. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you try it out, make sure you tag me on Instagram. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I upload every other week. Tune in for the next video. See you in 2 weeks.